Good morning, students. So today we'll start the new chapter, that is determinants. Determinants. The weightage of this topic is 1 plus, there is one 1 mark question and there is one 2 mark question, one 4 mark question and there is one 5 mark question. So therefore total weightage is 5 plus 4 9, 11 and it is 12 marks. Right? So in determinants we are having 12 marks. There is one 1 mark question, one 2 mark question, one 4 mark question and one 5 mark question. The total weightage of this topic is 12 marks. Right? So even determinants is also a very easy topic. Right? So it is a continuation of matrices. So what is the determinants? So determinants is every square matrix. See. So determinant is defined only for square matrix. What is a square matrix? The matrix in which number of rows is equal to number of columns. For example, 1 cross 1, 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, all are square matrix. So every square matrix, see here. So every square matrix associated with some real value. Associated with some real value. So that real value is called determinant. Right? So every square matrix associated with some real value, that real value is unique for different, it is different for different matrices, right? For a given matrix, that real value will be same, but for different matrices we have different real values, so that real value associated with each square matrix is called as determinant. So I will explain, so how to find the determinant, right? So for a given matrix, how to find the determinants here. So this is important. So if you know how to expand the determinants, 50% of this chapter is over, right? So see, so determinants of a matrix, see first one, determinants of a matrix of order 1 cross 1. Determinant of a matrix of order 1 cross 1. 1 cross 1 means what? It is having only one element. For example, say matrix A, it is 4. Right? So determinant of A is represented by two vertical lines. Determinant of this matrix A is represented by two vertical lines, that is equal to determinant of A, that is 4 itself. When it is having only one element, so that element itself is a determinant of the matrix, right? So in general I can write, if matrix A, if it is having only one element, that is M, so then determinant of A is nothing but it is value equal to M, right? So this is having only one element, so that is there is only one row and there is only one column. So this is called as 1 cross 1 matrix. When it is having only one element, so then determinant of that matrix is equal to that real value, right? So matrix A, if it is having only one element, that is M, so then determinant of A is equal to M, right? So if matrix A, if it is having element -5, so then determinant of A is equal to -5. Right, so determinant of a matrix of order 1 cross 1, so that element itself is a determinant value. So if matrix A, if it is equal to M, so the determinant of A is, that value is M. So if matrix A, if it is equal to -5, then determinant of A, so that is determinant of -5 equal to -5. Determinant of M is equal to M. So this is how we can find determinant of a matrix of order 1 cross 1. Right? So then how to find 1 cross 1 means it is having only one element. So how it is one element? There is only one row and there is only one column. So when there is only one row and one column, so that matrix will be having only one element. So that element itself is a determinant value. Right? So then determinant of a matrix, next it is of order 2 cross 2. Determinant of a matrix of order 2 cross 2. It is defined only for square matrix. So what are the possible square matrix? It is 1 cross 1, 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, 4 cross 4, 5 cross 5 and so on. In general it is M cross M. So these all are square matrix, but for your syllabus we are having 1 cross 1, 2 cross 1 and 3 cross 6. So the rest all are not there for your syllabus. So for your syllabus we have only 1 cross 1, 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3. Right? So now how to expand a 2 cross 2 determinant? See. So first I will explain in general. See, if matrix A, see, if it is A, B, C, D, if it contains 4 elements, that is 2 cross 2. Right? So there are 2 rows and 2 columns. So this is 2 cross 2. What is determinant of A? Determinant of A is first we have to multiply the elements in principal diagonal. So this is principal diagonal and this is secondary diagonal. First we multiply these two elements. So that is determinant of A equal to A into D. A into D. Next we have to make minus sign. Next we have to multiply this. That is elements in secondary diagonal. So that is A into D minus, so C into B or B into C. So this is the determinant value of order 2 cross 2. So we will take some examples. So that is matrix A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. So then what is determinant of A? Determinant of A is equal to determinant of 1, 3, 5, 7. If you make a vertical lines, so that is determinant. If you make a rectangular box line, so this is matrix. So this is a representation of matrix. So this is a representation of determinant, right? So in exam you should be very careful while representing matrix and determinant, right? So this is determinant of A. So already I told you in general, first you have to multiply this. So that is 1 into 7 is 7 minus, so next you have to multiply this. So 1 into 7 is 7 minus 5 into 3 is 15. So what is 7 minus 15? That is minus 8. Minus 8 is some real value associated with this square matrix. So that value we call it as determinant, right? So for this matrix, this value is unique. If we change this element, this value is also going to change. So every square matrix is associated with some real value. So that real value we call it as determinant. So A is equal to C. So 3 minus 1, 5, 2. Right? So this is matrix A. So determinant of A, C. Determinant of A is equal to C. Determinant of, so that is 3 minus 1, 5, 2. So that is 3 minus 1, 5. Right? So determinant of A, so that is 3 minus 1, 5, 2. So that first we will multiply these two elements. First we will multiply. So 3 into